Breast Cancer Explained from First Symptom to Complete Treatment. I'm Dr. Iman Rahmani. I'm a breast and oncoplastic surgeon. Most women notice the first sign of breast cancer in the mirror or in the shower. A small lump, change in the shape, a subtle pulling of the skin. These early clues are often ignored because they are painless. I'm Dr. Iman Rahmani, breast surgical oncologist and an oncoplastic specialist. In this video, I want to take you through the entire journey of the breast cancer care from the first symptom to full recovery. Let us begin with the earliest warning signs. The most common is a lump. It may feel firm, it may be fixed or simply different from the surrounding tissue. It may not hurt. That is why many women delay. Other signs include nipple change, persistent breast pain on one side, discharge from the nipple, or a change in the skin that resembles dimpling or a rough patch. Sometimes the breast looks fuller or heavier on one side. If any change appears, the first step is imaging. Usually we begin with an ultrasound for women under 40 and a mammogram for women above 40. Ultrasound helps us see the nature of the lump. Mammogram shows deeper changes. If there is anything suspicious, we add an MRI. This gives us a full map of what is happening inside the breast, especially when the tissue is dense. Now let us talk about biopsy. A biopsy does not spread cancer. It gives us clarity we need. We take a simple, small sample using a needle guided by ultrasound. The result tells us three important things: what type of cancer it is, how fast it is growing, and which treatments will work best. Once we have the diagnosis, we plan the treatment. Breast cancer is treated in three parts: the tumor itself, the lymph nodes, and the whole body protection. For the tumor, surgery is the starting point for most women. We can remove only the tumor with a marginal clearance called the breast conservation surgery, or if the tumor is large or spread out, we may need a mastectomy. Oncoplastic surgery plays a critical role. It allows me to remove the cancer and reshape the breast at the same time. We use plastic surgery principles to keep the breast in natural shape. This avoids deformity, dents, or asymmetry. If the mastectomy is required, reconstruction can be done immediately. We can use implants or our own body tissue to build the breast. Immediate reconstruction means you do not wake up with a flat chest. You wake up with a shape. Now let us talk about lymph nodes. Cancer travels first to the lymph nodes in the underarm. We must know whether they are involved or not. In the past, we used to remove all the lymph nodes, and that caused swelling of the arm called lymphedema. But today, we have techniques like sentinel lymph node biopsy, where we remove only the nodes that matter. This reduces the pain, swelling, and long-term arm stiffness. Depending on the cancer type, chemotherapy or hormone therapy may be required. Sometimes chemotherapy is given before surgery to shrink the tumor. This allows us to save the breast. Sometimes it is given after the surgery to reduce future risk. Hormone therapy helps prevent recurrences for hormone-positive cancers. Radiation therapy is added after breast conservation surgery and after mastectomy cases in some of them. It targets the breast or the chest wall and ensures microscopic cells are eliminated. Recovery after breast cancer surgery is often smoother than expected. Most women go home in a day or two. Movement of the arms begins gently. Breast shape stabilizes over weeks. With modern surgery, pain is controlled and the scars are placed discreetly. Emotionally, the journey is intense. Many women move from fear to strength over these months. Support from family, counseling, and honest communication helps immensely. Follow-up is vital. We examine the breast every few months in the first 2 years. Imaging is done regularly. Lifestyle advice becomes a part of the long-term care, wherein we advise for weight control, physical activity, balanced diet, sleep, and stress management. I want you to leave with one message. Breast cancer is highly treatable when detected early. Modern surgery can save the breast, preserve the shape, protect the arm, and maintain quality of life. With the right plan and the right team, recovery is not only possible, it is expected.